Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Yeah, yeah, I'm fine, ma'am. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm great. Thank you for asking. So tell me
Yeah.
about yourself. Could you please introduce yourself?
Okay, ma'am. My name is Muleshwari, and I'm from Chhattisgarh state. I completed my study, and if I talk about my hobbies are singing, dancing, painting, and I like to learn new things. And that's all about me. What about you, ma'am?
My name is Poonam Best, and I live in beautiful city of Uttarakhand, Dehradun, and I'm doing job in a IT firm. And if you talk about my qualification, I have done my master computer science, and I have a son who is studying class 10th now. So that's all about me.
Okay, it's a great introduction, ma'am.
Thank you. So I have a question for you. Who inspire you? Because I watch your so many videos, and your calmness is it gives a positive vibes. So your I think your plus point is your calmness. You speak very calmly, so it's a very good thing for you. So who inspire you for learning this language, and what is the reason behind this?
Okay, thank you. And who inspired me? I think no one, because I don't know why. Like I like this language a lot since my childhood, but I never think like that. One day I will learn this language. When I was studying in school, like middle school and five class also, some of like I really like some song. If there is some English word, like two three sentence in Hindi song, so my friend used to tell me because I really like to learn so those kind of songs, so they used to tell me that this song there is some English word, then I used to learn. And but I never thought that one day I will learn English. Even while doing graduation also I didn't think that I will learn English. But I choose like English in MA. And at that time also I never thought that I will learn after that I speaking, because I was not able to talk anything in, like I just cleared the exam. And uh, then later I started learning, and when I started learning I faced a lot of difficulties, like even I know writing, and I know reading at that time. And I was thinking like I can speak, but I was not able to speak. Like while listening I was thinking I can speak too, but I was not able to speak anything. And I didn't have that much vocabulary, and because I comes from Hindi medium background, so that's why. And in 2020, one day I was scrolling mobile, I got to know about one application, hello application. And but I installed that application after some days only, because of my fear how to talk with stranger, because fear of talking with stranger too. And I had some kind of negative thinking how to talk with that kind of person. If they are bad, they talk something bad to me. And what
Mhm.
will my parents think if I will talk with them, because I didn't have that kind of experience, because I didn't have that much friend circle in my life, and still now also. Because when I studied I was alone after 8th class. My all friend from village, they left their school. So in high school, higher secondary, I was changing different school, because there was not uh, uh, in my area, not school in one, like I had to change middle school for another village, and then high school another village, because in that village I was going for high school, there was not classes for 11 to 12. So for higher secondary I had to change another village. So that's why I was changing that. But as I told that my old friend from my village, they left after 8th class, so I was alone. But I really like, because that I never, after that I was alone, because I really like to study, so I never leave study. And I was enjoying those things, because I was learning something, and I was learning many things at that time, stitching, and so many things, whatever I was like how to say, in my village some ladies were doing what we call that, weaving, to use
Field
that
work? Field
I
work?
don't know.
Some kind of field work?
No,
Farming?
that. that decorative things in that. I know farming. I do farming too because my father is
Oh,
farmer. I do all kind of work.
okay.
I know
Okay.
harvesting and weeding. I know all kind of work. But like village ladies do some kind of decorating
Okay,
things,
some
making. So,
yeah, some
yeah,
kind of work in at home, right? Some
yeah.
decorative
So
things to yeah, some yeah, I know that.
yeah. So as I told you, like I'm too much interested to learn new things. So I was learning those things.
Okay, okay.
And in 2020 when I got to know about that application, I installed, but I uninstalled because of that my fear, I told you. But 2021 again I installed because sometimes I was listening videos in YouTube. I was thinking I should start again, but like totally like 1 year I didn't, like in that 2020 I didn't started and I didn't install that application. But after 21, like into 21, like 2021, I started and I got the same friend who was motivating me to learn English and to talk on call. And when I texted them and I said, I just want to talk on call, I said, I didn't say that I want to learn English. I said, I just want to talk on call. Then they got surprised, like, how, like, you get this much courage. At that time, I was motivating you and I was encouraging you to talk on call. And at least in Hindi, you were like you had a lot of negative thinking and a lot of fear,
Yes,
and
yes,
now you
definitely.
want to learn English. Yeah. Then I said, like, this time I decided I will learn English anyhow. Then I started my journey, and I was very lucky, I can say, because like if the person is very beginner and he or she is speaking very much using their mother tongue, it's kind of irritating, right, to help. but
Mm-hmm.
uh, but I got that friend, they were not like that. Even they were converting my sentence and they were motivating me, they were always encouraging me, you should do these things to improve your English. Then I started, I was too much passionate about learning. At that time I was mad at learning, while doing work in
Mm-hmm.
farm,
Yeah.
while
Hard
while
work always
cooking.
pay off.
Yeah, any times whenever I was getting time, I was just listening a lot, same video multiple times. And
Okay.
later I, like, you can't imagine, like, 10 times more than 15 times. And like until I learned all vocab from those stories or those motivational video, because I used to listen motivational videos a lot. It was giving me motivation and
Mm-hmm.
I was getting confident and I was learning
True.
many things from those stories and for fairy tale also, because in fairy tales I was learning different vocabulary from each story. And the same video I was listening many times, so I was explaining the I started explaining that story to the friends. And in that application Instamatch, we were getting every time different person. So same story I was explaining multiple person until I learned that story.
Yeah.
Then I
True,
started
true. I
explaining.
agree.
Yeah, then I started explaining other things like daily routines, movies, and like I started talking about the topic. Then I got to know
How
about
long have you how long have you been learning this language?
actually, 2021 I started and I learned in 1.5 year. Like I was able to speak properly, but I
Mm.
left because I came back city and I started doing job. And when I
Mm.
learned English, this also give me motivation. I should go to the city and I should do something. I should use
Mm.
this language there. Then I came back and I didn't came here for that job purpose, study purpose also. uh, then I did work 2.5 years. I have work experience. Then I was not focused on the English too and in my study. Then it's been 4 5 months I left and I'm focusing on study. So, but like when I came back city, I totally left English because I was not getting much time. And when I get involved in English, I became mad. So that's why I had to leave. But it's been 2 months. I'm continuously practicing and working on this skill. And this is my first experience. This 2 months, I started communicating with people and this kind of video
I
conversation.
think this
When
way
I
is very good to learn new things, right? I'm also in this platform because learning something. Because see, I also I'm also from Hindi medium. Okay, earlier I was not serious about this language. I don't want to. Somehow I can manage. I can speak manageable English. I can manage the all things, but I don't want to learn this language and a fluent speaker. I don't want. But sometimes my sister always motivate me. You have to work on yourself. You have a potential. You can good opportunity. You can earn good opportunity in your life through this communication, right? But I was not serious about that. So somehow I can, yeah, somehow my all work are done. So why I learned this language? Okay. So but before 1 month ago, 1 month ago, I just stuck on my mind. I scrolling my YouTube channel, and some of you I inspired from that video a lot. So I that time I decided I have to learn this language. I can anyhow. I know I made a mistake, but you know what? Some if you talk with confidence, if you speak with confidence, so no one judge you. Okay, everyone, because this is not our mother tongue. This is not mother tongue. This is the second language for us. So all are learning this language. So all can made a mistake. So if we think about it, we did mistake, and we know someone can judge us and like that and like what. So we never speak this language. So, at that time I told to my sister, no, I this is not cup of my tea. I cannot learn this language. I will have to take second words for this language. Right. But now I'm that stage, I'm able to speak. Yeah, I know I made a mistake. I have to improve my lot of room. I know that. But yeah, I try to my level best to learn this language.
Yeah, and ma'am, you're doing great and you're speaking very well. And you said before that you're working in IT sector, right?
Yeah, now I'm working in IT sector. It's completely work from home, so no need to speak in English. Actually, it's backend work, so no need to speak in English. So we don't have much atmosphere where we can speak in English. That is the main thing. No, we can't speak in English because we don't have such an environment in a sense childhood, because we have a different mother tongue, and we used to speak that our mother tongue with parents or relatives also. So and the main thing is environment, so we have to create environment to speak in English.
Yeah, you're right. And this kind of application helps us a lot
Yes, definitely.
because in our surrounding we can't get this like English environment, right?
And if you are interested something to learn anything else, it's not about only English or anything, so you can learn anything. It's depend on your interest, right?
Yeah, you're right, ma'am. So, do you have any question for me?
I have only one question. What is the reason behind it? You and earlier you also tell me about that whole things, and now I don't have any question. But yeah, we can discuss the our journey, our journey,
Yeah, it's
which
really
already
nice,
are.
ma'am. Yeah. If
Hmm.
I talk about my journey, like in this language, it's been 2 months I started and communicating with people and this application, especially on video conversation. Because when I learned English at that time, I never talked, even because of fear too. You can say it's like I was
Hmm.
able to talk in audio only, but I didn't have any kind of experience to talk on video. Sometimes if the person asked me to talk on video, I had fear. Even after learning, also I had fear. Like
Okay.
I don't know, because
Hmm.
stranger
Yeah,
I
it
had fear a
happened.
lot.
It
Yeah,
happened to everyone actually. We have a fear on this language, na, so that this is the reason.
yeah. And now, but I'm able to communicate with anyone. Like, but like when I started making this kind of video, like conversation videos, also I had fear. Like I'm not that much good at English. If that person will use different kind of vocabulary, then how? If I will not understand, then what will people will think? Uh, so many things I had in my mind, but I just I have to say take a challenge to
Hmm.
myself that I
Yeah,
will
same.
talk.
Same thing
It,
happened with me. Why I am on this platform, because I have to learn a lot through this platform, YouTube. So I recently I create 15 days before I create my YouTube channel where I upload my short videos like English related videos and some conversation video. This is my second session with you, not with you your first session, but the second conversation session. So what I realized ki if I have to learn something, so this platform is good for me. I think I learn a lot from this app, YouTube form platform. That's why I want
yeah.
to come on this platform, and I want to connect with my co-learner, my co-learner. I want to take these type of sessions so that I can learn.
Yeah, you're right, ma'am. We are learning so many things. Even we are getting a lot of experience while talking with people, how they are using their body language and how they are talking. And like we are connecting with many people, so we are also we get to know about their culture and tradition when we ask
Yes.
about their place. Then many experience we are getting a lot of knowledge too, and
Mm.
it's really good experience, and I'm learning so many things, ma'am, because I'm getting confidence, and now I don't have fear to talk with anyone in front of camera.
Yeah, it's great. I
Yeah,
want to take this type of experience through YouTube platform.
yeah. And like when you watch your video again, at that time you will find your mistake, so
Hmm.
this is also a good way to correct your mistake, which kind of
Yeah,
mistake you are
definitely.
doing.
Mm. Because see, everyone is a learner. No one is perfect on this language. I maybe someone also perfect on this language, but they are also learning this language. So we are also learning. So don't I think don't I don't doesn't matter for me. Someone judge me in my English, because before that I had a fear of that. If someone judge me, they are thinking about me, oh, she don't know how to speak in English. But now I'm able to speak. I can communicate to someone, to any public. I can communicate my thoughts, my opinion in English. So doesn't matter for me. It's a grammatical area. Yeah, I know I made a mistake in a grammatical area, but doesn't matter for me. I learned that things. I learn a lot that thing, on myself, right?
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. I think we should end this session. And it
Yes,
was
yes.
really amazing conversation with you. And,
Definitely. Yeah.
and
Nice to talk to
thank you
you.
very much for connecting with me.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, same
Bye.
here, ma'am. Thank you. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.